Hello, welcome once again. So some of you asked that, okay, will Power BI work with Mac? Nice question, and definitely I appreciate. I mean, welcome all Mac users to use Power BI, definitely. But how? Not directly. So Power BI, as of today, if you talk about again, Power BI has got three sections: Excel, Desktop, Cloud. So if you really want to author Power BI desktop reports, in that case you would require a VM, a virtual machine with a dual boot, because Power BI desktop as an application is not available today for download from Microsoft Store. So the alternate is either you use a dual boot or you use a virtual machine and use that. And then when it goes to cloud, so I mean, it doesn't require any kind of support actually. So whether you are on a Mac or a Windows system, once you publish this, so which means that if you directly want to take a data and then on the go you want to create some reports, definitely you can work with Mac as well. And on the other hand, you also have Office 365, which has got all the capabilities of Power BI in Excel. So that's the answer to your question. So in case you feel that, okay, some more explanation is required, please do write in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I would really appreciate if you could encourage me in making these kind of videos by liking this video and subscribing to the channel, and put your comments and feedbacks. Welcome you all. Thank you so much.